How y'all doing, everybody? I just wanted to show y'all a quick little something. Uh, Something I'm going to be doing, and it's not the Christmas tree. Let me show you out here real quick. Hold on. All right, let me show you all real quick. Hi, Electra. There is another chair from Secretlab. This time it's the Omega series. I'm going to go ahead and build this. Hold on. I'm going to do two different things with this video. First one, I'm going to go ahead and build this. That'll be one part of the video, but I may separate it because people may not want to see me just build a chair. And then the second part of the video is going to be comparing the two chairs and their differences. And you'll see it once it's done. So I will catch you on either the build video or the review of the two chairs. So we'll see you in a little bit. Peace. All right, everybody. What I'm going to do first is go ahead and unpack this and get it ready. And then I'll have this video camera here, my Nikon, videotaping my unboxing for this. And then I'll go ahead and do a little narration possibly, and then go ahead and get my little furry friend off of there because, you know, he's always willing to help. And we'll go ahead and do the unboxing and building, and then I'll do another video with the other part. So you may not see no more of the unboxing with this particular one. You may not see the unboxing anymore with this particular camera. You might just see it on that side, and then we'll do the review on this one. So we'll catch you in a little bit. Peace. All right, everybody, this is the unboxing of the Omega chair. I already did one for the Titan, but I want to do the Omega chair now to see if there's any big differences on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just do the first part and then have everything spread out like last time, and then give y'all a little view of how everything goes together. So let's get started. All right, everybody, this is the directions on how to build it. It is huge, and it's very colorful. And then on the front side, it tells you who inspected the box. If you have an issue with it, it has their number on it, and you can give them a call and say, hey, my stuff goes in there. So yeah, that is the instruction. So we're going to put that right there. All right. Next on the list is your little welcome book. Inside of this is how to take care of your chair, and also how to extend your warranty. With Secretlab, if you take a picture, if you put it on social media and hashtag them, they will give you an extra 2 years on top of their 3-year warranty, which is pretty good. I mean, they get some advertising, you get an extra little bit of time for it. So that's pretty good. And then you have a little protective cover. And then you got the hard part of the seat. Let me see if I can get this out without putting my back and hold on real quick. Alright. There is the back side of the seat. It's hard to see. It says Omega. And then on the front, you have the Omega symbol within the chair. So that comes out. You have your memory foam lumbar support pillow right here. You have your memory foam headrest pillow right here. More protective stuff. At least they box the stuff pretty well. You have the aluminum frame right here. the accessory box, which is kind of cool how they do it. You can tell you get a premium product just by opening this box. You have the handles, the wheels, the hydraulic, and end caps, and the tools and the bolts that you'll need. And as you can see, that's what it looks like right there. And then for the meat and potatoes of this thing, you got two more pieces left in this box. You have the bottom portion right here, and as you can see, it is all wrapped up. Sorry, I got my head cut off. It is all wrapped up. Alright everyone, so the next step was to take these bolts, these bolts right here, they were already embedded in here, like this, just unscrew them and take them out. And you can't get them confused with the chair hardware, the other half, because these are a lot more tinier than the ones that come out of the chair. So what you got to do now, here's where it gets a little complicated. It's usually better to get somebody to help you with it. You got to marry the two sides together. I'll show you what it goes to here in 1 second. So let me get to that and I'll see you in a minute. Alright everybody, so the next step is to marry the two together. As you can see, take these off. You have to run the chair in between these arms and then run the bolts into them. Same thing on the other side. Like I said, it's easier with some help. I'm going to go ahead and get them together and show you what it looks like. But like I said, it's the two bolts that you took out of this chair that are going into that chair. So we will get back to this in 1 second. Alright everyone, well now that we got this together, it was a pain in the butt, by the way, because for some reason this particular chair wouldn't line up right. So had to get a little aggressive with it, but we got it together. The other one wasn't that bad, but this one was a little trying. So as you can see, we got the sides married and the covers put on. So now what we have to do is flip the seat upside down, put on the chair adjustment part to it. So we're going to go ahead and get this flipped over and do it. So see you in 1 second. Alright everybody, well now it's together. Got the piece in there. It was 4 bolts that came with the supplied hardware. So it comes with everything that you need. With the arms, if they fit a little snug, you have adjustments so they can slide out on either end. So, you know, if you're a little fat like me, you can sit there and give them a little push out. So, but I'm going to go ahead and marry the two together, and then the chair should be done. So, alright everyone, the last thing that you got to do is to put the little handles on. As you can see, the chair is together and doing what it's supposed to be. So you have the bottom parts in here. If you look inside the thing, it has a certain way that it fits in there. So once you get that lined up, just push them in and you're done. Your chair is complete. And there it is, everybody. It is the Omega. It is the black with the suede. It has the Secretlab's memory foam pillow and lumbar. And there are some differences between this chair and that chair, which I will go into on another video. So like I said, I just wanted to do a little build video with y'all just to get the chair together, and then we'll go from there. So we will catch you on the next video. So hold on real fast. All right, everyone. So yeah, we'll catch you on the next video, and I hope y'all enjoyed this little build. I know it wasn't for everybody, but you know, I had another chair, so why not do it? So on the next video, we will be reviewing the two together. So we'll see you at that one. Remember, the best part of my videos are y'all. I hope y'all enjoy this. It's a little different. Leave me some comments. Let me know what y'all think. So we'll catch you later. Peace.